Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will be making a delicious sourie pepper sauce. This is a requested video from one of my subscribers. Now remember, for all the ingredients and measurements, it will be listed down below in the description box. So let's get started. Now for ingredients, I will be using some Scotch bonnet pepper. You can use any pepper of your choice. I have here some frozen sourie that I brought back from St. Kitts and Nevis. I will also be using some white vinegar, garlic, salt, and some freshly squeezed lemon juice that is not shown here in the video. To my pot, I have some water coming up to a boil, and I'm going to add in my pepper. And I forgot to mention, guys, I took the seeds out. If you would like to leave the seeds in, then that's fine. I'm also going to go in here with my garlic, and I will allow that to steam for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then I'll add in my sourie. Now after 2 minutes, I'm going to go in here with my sourie, and I'm going to give that a stir to make sure that the sourie is covered under the water. Now I'm going to cover my pot and allow this to go again for another 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you're going to remove it from the pot and place it in your strainer and allow it to sit and drain for about an hour or so. Now after an hour, all the excess water has drained out from my sourie. I'm just going to place this in a bigger container so I can have some room to work with it. And now, using my potato masher, I'm just going to mash this up a little before I go in with my hand blender. Now, before I go in with my hand blender, I'm also going to add in some vinegar, some salt, and a freshly squeezed lemon juice. Now I'm going to use my hand blender here to bring this to a nice thick consistency. I like mine to be just in the middle, not too smooth or not too chunky. So once you achieve that consistency you are looking for, you can adjust how liquidy you want it by adding a little bit more vinegar. Now this is the consistency I am looking for. So I'm going to store this now in a clean glass jar, and it's ready to serve. Now that brings us to the end of today's video. I do hope you enjoy watching this video as much as I enjoy making it for you all. If you would like to try this recipe and have any questions at all, feel free to reach out to me in the comment section. Now don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipe. As usual, I want to say thank you for watching, goodbye, and I will see you in my next video.